Come to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe.
Umlilo wangempela antingi nepizza ngashaya kapela mangena ukuthi
Trail Mosevi. But also look out for Trail Bafetti because he's coming through with a bang.
Mr.
Ladies and gentlemen, Milang is busy like these beautiful artwork behind me. Just the same as the show is now you called Umilasheleni, Elamika Mutse, Mr. White, Mr. Whiskey and the Mizu Waiti. So today Chita calls us say White. I'm featuring season as the Umilasheleni team. Silandu girl, baby Nana, Simbuzuti. Can sharp wenzakale. Because the problem is that Unana Utandi model. Anyone that has a car, Ukelu Hambana. Sometimes what he says that Ukel unokuthi ahamba na estrateni uvela umjita ohamba ngemoto enhle athi nana iza Ukel uyaya. So now they are no longer together and umjita wants the answers, wants to ask what the question ukuthi ungilahleleni. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and then join us on the trip. We are Okolandu girls in ulahleleni umjita kahle kahle. All that we need is answers. Now we do the same. Inbox us on TV, it's YY TV, and then say Mr. White, Nichim, and in campaign. So namanje and mem. So after you saw another hot man brief and hot. Yeah, go on let le just teaching you. Hey. O ba mlumisa ka dintsha go. Was ka re chaisa fethu before go thola motho. Ya bona. So hot man o re ba mlumisa ka dintsha. Njalo ha o bona mapebeza wa haya sa ga bo itse ke nyeng reason o batla go motsa yona
go tla motsa ga ntle wa ka nto etsala nga sa hlola sa araba di call tsaka asana nako njalo nje sana di excuse nna tse fani ka sama ka matla ke etsa o itse keng ke bana le ena magae asemtho bona o sa bontsha attention o gonna
ha ona hana king ha so wena ntjaka o qadileng maybe but sometimes we complain ka batho ka ke ro
ke azama mo kuzama ne le gaite man ne le gaite na le motho jona manai active
mpulaisa pipe
yena re mnate mara lately man it's been months man mtho man ha sa le o chegara ona sa shapa chega sa le motho mo skang so
mfozi linda ba re bua ile da tserita o itse le style o sa shapa ka style se one fela sa batla o tunusa
asa batla foko no monola no ga manage yan stress ara ring ye man abo
armke asilhlanya munne asikala
ke mono gai man na bona lo motho wa kuhlanya ba ma ke mono gai ka mona re fitla kamkele chaka
hola kamkena no ya bona kwa manje kamkena manje kamkena
Yeah, you want shopping. What's almost shopping?
Hello.
Iya bosan mon.
Right.
Ngiyaphi.
Ngiyaphi stand.
Lo mputu funa la.
Ufuna wena ubithe ka sipa sepinka ke.
Hawo mo shopping. Ke tsala njalo.
Hey. Hayi bo kanjani manje?
Abo ke ufune lo tsala ngante.
Kuze kusakubata ngisakufuni ngicela nje empilweni yami ngisakufuni
so utshayetso hasa ufuna
ngimthole nalena fanda
angisafuni mara nje angisafuni nje
wayo ngasamfuni
lo phutula angisafuni lo phutha kana mali akanyiphi imali yo ungalisa yendlala manje mina ngiyenzeni angisafuni
so imali kanti uthando lwenu
noma phandle wona kayisho bekasebenza bekanyiphi imali manje akasanayo imali angisafuni
manje ngoba akasana mali
angisafuni
mara yena ntsaurata fi
mina ngazi ke
ngasemanzi kufanele ke umsebenzi jwana usomkamela
angisafuni
angisafuni
ke ngisho kanjalo
bakucamali bathi mali bathi taxi
yo like ngibona balantshala mina ngisafuni
yazama
wazama
mara ngoletsa nongoletsa
why manje wayenza namakhemera wayenza namakhemera
because why nongoletsa
wena vele le
wena
uthari phone that's why
ngiwathilithile ngaphlokile manamba wakhe angisafuni
ngenxa ukuthi akasaspani
hayi
so bomthandile imali yakhe
ngapha akasayenzi kahle sekayakhathala yabona mina
kuyazama unantebezi kuyazama ukuthi akayide mano ntotsa liyetsama
mara unalambiza
hayi shwanga buthi shwanga ayisebenza ayimthusi yebhizi ayimthusi kutsho
mara all along hey
hayi bo bekakahle manje uyabona ukuthi akasana mali ngapha akasayenzi zona manje uzohlala
la vele mangwana mali at least mele
yeah manje ke uyabona lapha ukhathele uyenza
masifa funa ngapha namhlanje
anyeke ukuthi senga uya ngifuna ukwazi angifuna ukwazi eyami nefoni
so notice nini when ukuthi like when you decide ukuthi yazi ngaphathi lesina
ngibona ke dala
Atsangona kamambela le bona neshoto wangayi hayi ntotho ona thoko shayitsi yona phela kuyotshayela ngona uthwayitsa ngayo hayi yakawathe ustabone ngwana na le hayi ngwana ne re tswa le hayi ngwana khatha kana dula o yena ngwana ha ne tlile re thuto msebetsing ngwana sa etsa so jano
so lapho ufuna imali yakhe nje nekhadi
mina nayisineminyaka sizwana mara why angisakhulu
wathi also told me that maka nemali wena uba available supportive wasaphelelwa isipana bayisiseka udla phansi
ngaba yishiya kwatela mina ukuthi umsebenzi awusekho manje iproblem iyo leyo
problem ntomazana this way you supposed to be supportive umjinja
also when I listen to Sagan Navel.
So what about the Range Rover kulandayo phambi kwakhe because you also mentioned but kunomjita we Range Rover okulandayo alongahamba nawe ungene emotweni
kahle hawu
awuyadelela
angisho ukuthi mali leyo bakuya ngiyisizwe sithu
waza malini ma
shem yaba
sikamudwele mkhuzi awuvalele ntakirenda
ya ngifuna uyabona basekabona nini manje sekaba violent kana Chana teki kakaya na mana unana ki teki kakaya
so how na mena yakho wena
ngona ngitsona ngosebetsa ngona ukuthi akitsilo ga khotmalayo akela limna company litlo yetsa atotswa ditogonyana kanto usebetsa kang kanto wena
isebe mara he ayikile wabona thola tsela respect akutelo bani wa go provide yeah we provide mos
lo munye ubhuti
yo wena
ena uyazi
maya usabi lokutshela umjiti uthi wena
nakuphela
nisurvive ngemali yakhe
nakuphela singamtshela manje ukuthi
nisurvive ngemali yakhe
yeah na injalo nje sobona senze njani umama wakhe aza namakhemera wawuza namakhemera
because amphenduki and even benginayo before siza last phone ile not answer your phone
bengafuni vele uphendule ifoni yami angifuni nje yazi asafuni next
Faneka yona alright awusuka alright kuyawulebuwa
thank you good right yabuza
tsamaya
manje mina ngisana nomuntu osonomuntu uyamthuka
alright
uyamthuka akazikhuluma ngalezo ukuthi uyamthuka
tsamaya
akazikhuluma
shukale makunjani
uyamthuka every time anginayo uyamthuka angitshele zona lezo
tole bona uthola le bona vele tsamaya
uyamala mbanyana
tsamaya
awuplay wena like nihamba nithi estradeni fika imoto umshiya njalo elenga ungena emotweni
ayisho la beyangazi ukuthi ubani ubekasitshela ukuthi malume wami so manje singiyamtshela akusho ufuna ukwazi iqiniso singiyamtshela ukuthi yathuma
ndoda leyo uwumshana ku-boyfriend yakhe unakekelwa umuntu wakhe unje
hayi ngiyabonga sisikhuleka
unamamanzi udla ukudla kwe-out lakhe
qhubeka sisi
so don't you think kumele u-appreciate the fact that since ungasibhandi unomjito olisupportayo
amtshele
ngilibongele hotman lelo uthi ngiyakuphakamisa hotman umuntu ongaqali ngishayela imeli yami ngishayela imeli yami yeah
so manje ke
one of the reasons ukuthi amayile gore monna unoso awusasebetsi wena usokola chelete usokola
ayishiyabona
wona nje nalithanda ibitho lakho olemnani
phela yisho siyapretenda phela ngimtshela ukuthi ulonyile hawo Kunjalo. Kunjalo.
Wakutenda.
Yeah,
Awufuni yo ayikudela yo ndala.
Alright.
Yeah, mina.
I need to talk to say Maraso. Actually.
And then he still like when we were coming on our way, we started show.
Go and chill my phone trades.
Angisakufuni.
Yo, sure. Now you show my phone.
Uyabona? Ayisho impembe. Uyaphelile.
Koyetsa fela nje ka gametse.
Yeah, shem.
Chaka nzomnganyo.
Kamfostana apply. Santsane ke kapile ka yena.
Uyabona manje umthukile uma uthi yangifoster.
But when you guys look like the couple elwayo mphinde nibe sharp ni.
Yeah.
So I'm still hopeful mina ukuthi ngizoba
Yeah, I really like it ngoba mafika manwathi wakwamfakela
manje
manje.
sengayi angisafuni naloko kulwa lokho nje
So
angisafuni.
if athi yena doesn't matter ukuthi umchitele nani ngibuyelane.
Hayi ikhona indoda engavuma leyo nto leyo anye kaze avume niksi nje okusala uzovuma makavuma la okusala the next day uyabona wena ungayivuma ayekho ivume lapho so manje ngiyevele nje
After 2 years uzobe sekakhuluma indaba ye Range Rover.
hayi chai
Eish.
Ayinami
and namanje njengoba niyenza kanjani iputhe Range Rover uyenza angazi ke amakhemera angifuna aputhi ngicela umbambe ayiputhi angisafuni yoma cela ngimtshela ukuthi angifuni Range Rover eyami
angafuni ngiyekele
impahla zomdala zakaDisemba zizokhishwa amalunga zikhishwa ulento yena akangalebhayi
Yena uthi emsebenzini ahlekeza nami ngiyabhatanisa emasayitini. Yena uthi ulibhayi ngempahla yena ngemali yakhe leyomkhere. Masakala ibhayi into ankele manje.
uyo lebhayile phela ayikele
Masiko
ayikela yeke kuze ngimuphe ngimyekele ngoba ayikela uyenza yonke into nje yazini uyenza yonke into ayikele phela nakaphendini sebayamazi
ayikele
yeah
bebakwazi yena kuwe mfethu
bayamazi endlini manje abasasithatheliselasi ngoba alisho phela ngasezinempuku phela makahola bekeza yabona manje uyazi endlini kanjani basibajabulela lo oyenzayo
wena usile nabantu bakini
barayithi abantu bakithi kusho khona ukuthi bahlala
Like in Mushani, Mingel, which you channel manje nabasakhuluma so no-uncle naye ukuthi naye ukubuza nale hotman lakho nasihlangahlanganisa lapha
Hotman yena uyever uza nemali uyamwelcome
vele njalo vele ngoba vele
Hotman lakhe
la ngifana ne-hotman lami makavele nje yabona injalo umalume uyoprovidayo so ayeke ngize ngikhona ukumlahla umalume ayeke ngimlahle shem kusho khona ukuthi ukuthi ufuna empilweni yami akazimisele ukuthi nomalume ukhona umalume uyasisiza umalume uyasisiza uyezwa
Shano to hlakanisa ke lithule malome.
Yeah, I just want to tell you.
Jona phone ga isho to sesafuna ka malome afone le phone nya.
Yeah, now
is like angafuna malome kimitse hotman.
Yeah, hotman lo muntu phumile. How it's like that. You
highway
yeah, provider lo muntu ela yeke.
Lo msiyakani kalapi right wena. Yo ayingaqala bona into nesibindi esingaka.
Ngiyantshela
Seshibulele linyalo yibona lenyalo.
Awu sesingashada ngisho bathi bahafule umsebenzi.
I know computer little Range Rover njalo.
Ngibima.
Shit. No, I can tell my dog. So, the question here, I think for me now, what we do basically is to accompany you, to go and ask a question for Oblakheleni, so you know the reason. Because also Shapate, number 2, Snogonoko Fanaka, Snogonoko Asiyo Fanaka, Snogonoko Jaga, Wasokola. Yeah, hey.
tlamisa dikausi mara ke sampile decision go dula le ntho le malome
malome phela ke na provider ke re
vele o kile decision vela sambata
maybe what would you advise him maybe for relationship around for you?
Yeah, the relationship I am going to lose interest totally because whenever we go but at least the encourage you let's over very mutwaka santsana yetsa tsona manje ka sayenzi nazo ngapha manje sibulawa indlala langa lonke nje mangimva indlala sibhekana le movie the whole day kuba phela kazezo zizitelezo angisho we go out see somewhere yabona mina nanoma phandile lapha emkhekuzeni imali incane yabona batalisa lapha hayi mina ayithanda shaba
But you want to some
kabuhlungu kakhulu kabi uyazi naye indoda yami bayazi nala inokushini ukuthi nje into yami
No, mfethu mina I appreciate your honesty. I want to thanks for being open, being honest.
Yeah.
King man, you know the answers of it. Anyone who comes along here, Mamuchi.
Kale kwa my sister tawusaluta wayetsa ntho
abuhambe kahle kitokeriya phokotsa ka manje ngibale okay uyabona simple yeah utala ngithuzo khapha siyozilanda
hayi sama yawulebwa aus
bye bye I'm so full. Bye bye. Hi, Puti. Bye bye.
Otherwise, we came with so yo. I think it gets harder and harder, Baba. But me, I just love the honesty. I just love the honesty. Yeah. Bumalu. Shit. King. Uboni fanaka. I want you, right? Sharpa fame. Please, let's call about subscriber. YY TV on YouTube. Like on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram also available. It's a retailer there. And whenever I Mushomo batla o botsa someone go o lahletseng o nyamaletse without any reason so utlwahalang. You can accompany you yombotsa and just be ready for I never bankobile today. Sharp.
Atango FIFA.